Noong 2006, nagkaroon ako ng prostate cancer na. Ngayon, nung paulit-ulit na dinalagyan ako ng catheter na hindi ako makaihi, inopera ako doon sa FEO noong May 22, 2009. Pabalik-balik ako sa ospital na for check-up tuwing dalawang check-up ng isang linggo. Wala rin akong walang pagbabago, lalong sumasakit. Maraming klase, mahapdi, makirot, masakit pag lumabas yung ihi ko, pag huminto yung ihi ko, masakit, makirot, ganun ho. Halos hindi ako makatulog magdamag, nagtitiis lang ako. Lagi akong nakahiga, maski na nung pumunta sila nung dito, hindi ako makatagal ng mga 10 minutes na nakaupo ng ganito. Saka yung pagpunta ko sa LPO, pag pumunta ako, gagastos ako ng 5,000 pinpunta ko. Dalawang beses ako pumunta sa loob sa linggo. Kaya ngayon, naghihirap na ako, wala na akong pambili ng gamot ko. Marami akong pinagdanan, ECG, ultrasound, urine culture, PSA. Nung kinukulit ako yung pamangkin ko na mag-take daw ako ng gamot na ito, hindi ko pinapansin. Pero nung talagang mahirapan na ako, sinubukan ko na pumayag ako. Ngayon, binigyan ako ng isang box. Katapos, nung naubos ko yung isang box, medyo gumaang yung pakiramdam ko. Kaya inulit ko na naman, nagpabili naman ako ng isa. Ito, C247, ito ang nagpagaang sa katawan ko, yung sakit ng nararamdaman ko na hapdi, kirot. Dahil po dito ay nakakalakad na ako, nakakapunta na ako yan, nagkapapasya-pasyal ako dito sa lubang bahay ko. Walang paldos siguro ito kasi naranasan ko na ito. Kaya may papayo ko, yung may sakit, subukan nila. Walang mawawala.
Nagsimula ang sakit ko noong January 2009. Isang gabi, biglang sumakit ang aking tiyan, napakasakit. Hindi ako makagalaw, hindi ako makalakad, hindi ako makakain, hindi ako makainom. So hirap talaga ako, napakasakit, parang kinurot yung bituka ko. So kinabukasan, nag-decide ako na magpa-check up agad sa doktor. So pagdating ko sa doktor, sabi niya sa akin, kailangan ko raw na mag-ultrasound. So binigyan niya lang ako ng pain reliever. Kaso lalong sumakit, lalong sumakit yung tiyan ko. So kinabukasan, nagpa-ultrasound ako kaagad. So ang resulta lumabas na meron pala akong 1.6 cm na kidney stone. So pagkatapos noon, binigay ko ang resulta sa doktor. Binalik ko ang resulta. Sabi ng doktor, kailangan ko daw na magpa-opera. Kaso walang laser dito sa Tagbilaran. So kailangan pumunta sa Cebu. Wala ako sa kondisyon, so napakahirap, napakasakit talaga. So naalala ko yung kapatid ko na meron siyang ini-endorse na produkto. So tinawagan ko siya. Pagkatapos noon, dumating siya, nakita kami. So binigay niya sa akin yung C24/7. So sabi niya sa akin, subukan mo lang yan. Dahil makakatulong yan sa'yo. So sabi niya sa akin, inumin ko raw 6 capsules per day. Ininom ko lang yun. Kinabukasan, naramdaman ko na medyo guminawa yung pakiramdam ko. So makakain ako, makagalaw na ako. So pinagpatuloy ko lang yung pag-inom. Hanggang sa dumating ang 5 araw, so after 5 days, napansin ko na wala na talaga akong nararamdaman. So nag-decide ako na magpa-ultrasound ulit. So pagkalabas ng resulta, nagulat na ako, na-shock na ako na nawala na pala yung kidney stone. So sabi sa akin ng doktor, anong ginawa mo? No, sinabi ko sa niya na no, C24/7 lang to. Pagkatapos nung umuwi na ako sa amin, napakasaya ko, no, na-save ko yung pera ko para opera. So hindi na ako naoperahan. Tapos bumuti yung kondisyon ko. Napakalakas ko, bumalik yung lakas ko, napakasigla ko. So nawala lahat. So laking pasalamat ko unang-una sa AIM Global, dahil kung walang AIM Global, walang Sit 24/7. At sa aking kapatid rin, dahil kung wala siya, hindi ako gagaling, hindi ko masubukan yung produkto.
The first time I heard of your product is when his friend introduced it to us. Kinuwento na sa amin yung naging effects sa kanya ng product niya. He is diabetic and he was hospitalized because he is partially blind already. May gangrene yung lower extremities niya. And na 50-50 siya sa hospital. And then, I had to complete 8 capsules a day, yung initial. Yun ang prescribe sa kanya. Ako yung doctor doon daw yung nag-ano sa kanya yung nag-prescribe sa kanya. It was also a doctor. So, pinascribean siya ng 8 capsules a day. Tapos, after 3 days, nag-dry up daw yung ano niya, yung kanyang gangrene. So, hindi na amputate yung kanyang leg. And then, I tried the product first. Bumili siya ng leave-in, yung coffee nyo, and then yung complete. So, kasi nung may problem ako sa cyst, I have breast cyst, and then may solid nodule, multiple, and then one of those was a solid nodule na kailangan nang i-operate. Kaya ayoko magpa-opera. So, I tried it kasi I saw it dun sa friend niya na ganun yung drastic yung recovery talaga niya. So, I tried it for yung 1 box lang muna. 1 box is 30 capsules lang. I tried it. Yung 1 box lang na yun inubos ko. Nagpa-ultrasound ako. It turned out na negative na. Hindi na makita nung doctor sa ultrasound yung nodules. Kaya after that, tinuloy ko yung pag-drink ng complete.
It was a vehicular accident that happened October 3 in the Anghare, Alabang, Cavite area. I was driving all alone. There was this. I had that accident, and the next thing I knew, wala na akong malay noon. I ended up here at San Juan de Dios Hospital at the intensive care unit. I didn't know what was happening. It was really painful. And then nawalan ako ng malay. But in a way, I was in comatose.
He was in the ICU for 9 days. So, wala talaga siyang memory about yung nangyari sa kanya. His brain was swollen. Yung sabi ng doctor, swollen yung brain niya. Ang sabi ng doctor, it will take 6 months daw para makarecover, to remember. Sabi ng doctor. Noon sa ICU, hindi alam nung mga doctors. Pinapainom ka siya nung complete. Kasi ano siya nakita ko yung effect sa akin. So, binigyan ko siya. Remarkable yung yung recovery niya. Gumising siya. Tapos, nagulat din yung doctor niya sa recovery niya na parang biglaan. So, hindi na siya hindi na nag-operate yung doctor. Hindi na kinailangan ng operation. Sabi ng doctor, maswerte siya. Saka nagulat din yung doctor na ganun kabilis yung recovery niya. Kasi nag-start na nag-swell down yung swelling sa brain niya. He stayed there for 2 more weeks sa hospital niya. Pero during those 2 weeks na yon, nag-improve yung memory niya. Nakilala na niya ako, alam niya yung pangalan ko, alam niya yung pangalan ng mga anak namin. Pati yung mother niya, alam niya yung pangalan. It started sa mga names. They can even text. Nakatext mo siya nun sa hospital, nagulat ka nun. Nakakatawag siya. Dati nung hindi niya ma-recognize kung ano yung cellphone. Hindi niya alam kung ano tawag dun. Kasi I believe na kaya kahit 2 capsules eh. So kahit na basta regular lang, na continuous din yung intake niya nun, I believe na makaka-recover siya. Saka dati may complaints of headache. Pag medyo late na during the days, masakit yung ulo niya, masakit, saka malabo yung mata niya. Tapos yung C24/7 na yung tinitake niya after a month, January na yun, na-observe niya na hindi na sumasakit yung ulo niya. Tapos medyo hindi na ganun kalabo din yung mata niya. Hindi ako na-surprise na positive yung effect niya. Alam ko na gano'n na magiging effect sa kanya. Kasi na-prove ko na sa sarili ko na nakakatulong sa kanya yun. So, kumbaga, waiting na lang. Yung time na lang will tell. Yun na lang inaantay ko yung time na dumating na makaka-recover siya, na mariregain niya yung memory niya. Ngayon, unti-unti, after nang nag-take pa rin siya niyan, 3 times a day na, yung si 24/7. Well, I'm glad na merong product na si 24/7 na food supplement na that can help us, especially my husband, to recover dun sa temporary na memory loss niya.
Doon ko lang nalaman na all the time, the reason why I had a very fast recovery, it was because of this product of AIM Global. And I knew for a fact, yes, okay, I should have died. That was given. I should have died. And I know the Lord gave me a second chance in life. The important thing is I'm back. I'm back with my life because of the Lord, and I have a strong life, a new life, very strong and very happy because of C24/7.
Praise God, for He gave us the breath of life, a gift precious for survival, so that we could enjoy and rejoice our existence. But when things fail us and illness occurs, how much expense will it pay for? Physically, emotionally, and so much financially. But God made a way. It was March 18, 2006, when Alliance in Motion Global Incorporated was established here in the Philippines. It also happened to be my 20th birthday. 7 months after, December that same year, I was diagnosed with an illness. I, which just seemed so active and vibrant. There was not a sign that something worse could happen. The disease, though identified, it was rare. No common medical remedy yet known. This is where all of that cost comes in. Even if I haven't witnessed it myself because I was still unaware, I learned eventually that for an average family like us, we have experienced being physically exhausted, emotionally down, and financially drained. My mother sought for every possible cure. She tried every probable treatment. But for a situation like mine, only the product of AIM Global worked out. The rest of all the other synthetic medicines that we have tried before just wasted effort. Because my mom was anxious that I needed to get well soon, she did not hesitate to try this herbal medicine. The product, it was formerly alive, then complete, until the one that we know now as C24/7. And you know, it lives up to its name, complete 24 hours a day, 7 times a week. And if it's so said that God do send blessings in disguise, ours was open to us through the selfless individuals who help us until the end. To it, our deepest thanks to Tatay Edward Hagidorn and his family as well. He is an image of an extraordinary individual who nobly reached down and offered help to people in need with all he had unselfishly, without expecting anything in return. Listen, one family. To Janvi, the spirited youth in you is that same self that moves you to do good by helping others, and your way also to prove that this medicine you've trusted, so others will put their trust to it as well, was all worth it. To Tita Sheila, to all of us whose hearts been touched of her genuine generosity by sharing her blessings. To Dr. Fred and Tita Sheila, the kindness in you can be clearly shown in the family that you have brought up. We thank you for sharing you to us, for helping us to succeed and also to be healed. And to all those who have helped us during our worst and even until today, and assures us that they will still be there as much as they can. All of you, you are all a blessing. Nowadays, a lot of testimonies are already made known to enlighten us. As for me, I am doing my part. This is my way of saying to you all, I am here with you today, alive, all because we believed in the product. We tried it, and in the end, we proved it to ourselves. My friends, I want to share this all to you because I do have been healed. The last time, the doctor said that there is a possibility that I could remain inert for the rest of my life. But it proved them wrong. Through the power of a life, I regained strength. It did not happen all at once, but the process is slowly but surely. Little by little, the effectiveness is seen. Today, all is well. Given this opportunity, let us not think twice no more. We are confident and salute the capability of the doctors that invented this herbal medicine, and happy as well that it has been introduced here. It sure has helped a lot of sickness and will definitely be able to help more. Sabi nga nila, last January 10, 2011, ikaw na ang susunod. Remember that health is wealth. It is one of God's precious blessings to us. Once we've lost it, it is so hard to bring it back again. So we should take good care of it. Health is not simply the absence of sickness. It is the wholeness of our well-being.
Once again, this is yours truly, Ivy Pacaldo de Maribas, saying, do stay healthy everyone, inside and out. The journey will never end as long as there is a chance. We must grab it and keep on going. I wish you all prosperity, abundance, wellness, peace of mind, wealth, and freedom. Thank you. May God be with us all. Power.
Isa po ako sa napagaling ng Complete. Yun po yung product ng Alliance in Motion Global. Actually, ang kapatid ko po ang nagsimulang gumamit noon. Nabulag po siya for several months, almost 6 months. So, nung ma-introduce sa kanya yung Complete, nag-try siya, 2 boxes lang ang ininom niya. Nakakapagtaka, nakakita ulit siya. And then, after po noon, February last year, na-diagnose po ako na mayroon akong breast cyst sa dalawa. At the same time, meron din, na-diagnose din po na meron akong scoliosis. Bedridden po ako ng 5 months. And then sabi ko, kung napagaling yung kapatid ko, bakit hindi ko itry? Nag-decide po ako na mag-take ng Complete kasi talagang sobrang hirap na. Pakiramdam ko mamamatay na ako kasi parang may nakadagan sa dibdib ko. Every time paghihiga ako, so tuwing matutulog ako, nakaupo lang ako. Nakasandal lang ako sa sofa. Hindi na ako makakain, nahihilo ako. Yung tuhod ko parang wala na, hindi ko kaya tumayo. Nang ma-diagnose po nila ako, sinabihan nila ako na magpa-opera para matanggal yung cyst. Takot po ako sa turok. So sabi ko, diretso ko. Uminom po ako ng 3 capsules every 4 hours. And then after 3 weeks po, sinubukan ko maglakad kasi nabawasan yung pain. So hinahapo ako that time. After 3 weeks po, naglakad ako, nakaabot ako ng 3 blocks away from home. Pagkaraan po, after 5 weeks, nagsimula akong magbike. And then hanggang sa kasalukuyan po, dire-diretso po akong umiinom. Wala na po totally yung aking cyst. Hindi ko po alam kung paano natunaw yun, pero nawala po lahat ng pain. So yung middle bone ko po na sinabi ng doktor na namamaga noong February last year, na-prevent po yung paglala. So lahat ng pain na naramdaman ko, kung mararamdaman nyo lang yung sakit, parang hinihiwa yung likod ko mula sa batok ko hanggang sa dulo sa ilalim. Para siyang hinihiwa. So, every time na huhugot ako ng paghinga ko, napakahirap para sa akin. So, nung mag-take ako ng complete, lahat po nawala. So, hanggang sa ngayon, dire-diretso po, kaya lang ngayon magme-maintain na lang ako. Pag nawawala po yung complete, parang nanghihina ako. So, hindi pwedeng mawala sa akin yun. Napaka-imposible na paniwalaan na ako nakabangon. Maraming hindi naniwala sa akin na ako'y gagaling pa. Salamat kay Lord na naging instrumento niya ang Alliance in Motion para makapagpagaling ng mga may sakit ng tulad ko.
In 2006, I was diagnosed with myoma, 3.5 cm in size. In 2007, I was informed by my doctor that I should be operated on because it might grow bigger. However, I was taking religiously Complete and other AIM Global products. The reason why I did not get operated on last 2007 was because I was afraid to be operated because I had 5 operations, 2 major and 3 minor operations. The family in 2010 decided that I be operated on. So I went to see my doctor friend surgeon, and I was advised that before I get operated on, I should get all the necessary laboratory tests, including ultrasound. So I had the ultrasound in Quezon Martires City last December 2010, and to my surprise, I found out that there is no more myoma in my uterus. With the AIM Global products, I was able to save on my operation, which is scheduled January 11, 2011. Through the products of AIM Global, I was able to find myself back to health and back to where I'm now happy and joyous.
Ang aking asawa po ay isang seaman. Talagang nire-require po sila ng kanilang medical examination taon-taon. Lately na lang po na ni-require po sila na examination nila para sa Hepa B. At na-surprise po kami nang nalaman namin na reactive po pala sa kanya ang Hepa B. Nag-second opinion po kami sa ibang doktor, and then sinabi na wala nang kagalingan ang Hepa B. Last November po, nagkaroon po ulit siya ng medical examination bago po siya umakyat ulit ng barko. And then sa amin pong pagtataka, bakit po kami pabalik-balik na pinababalik ng doktor at 3 beses po ulit siyang kinuna ng dugo. At nang tinanong namin po ang doktor kung bakit, sinabi po sa amin na non-reactive na yung kanyang Hepa B. Tinanong po kami ng doktor kung anong tinitake niya. At sinabi po namin na complete plus yung white light para po sa liver, and then lately po yung ating C24/7. Naniniwala po kami na sa produkto ng AIM Global ay walang imposible.